Okay, let's see. Let me see.
Put them on the floor.
Sounds like a good idea. Go ahead.
Where does the blue go?
Blue's on the floor already.
This one goes here.
Yep.
Again. Green does. I think this is green. I think what is orange? What is orange?
Your recycling truck, right?
Where is orange? Where should I put this one?
On the mat. Right next to the blue one.
Oh,
Now, how does this one work? Show Daddy how this one works.
which one?
The
This
recycling
one?
truck. No, the recycling truck. The orange recycling truck.
Oh,
Good job. Good job. All right, what's next? Whoa, look at that one. Hey, what truck's next? Whoa. Okay, let's go with the other trucks on the table. Nice job.
look what happened.
You open it up, right? You closed it. It's fine. And the last truck. Let's get our last truck.
I can't close
It is closed, baby. Don't worry about it. It's closed. It's closed.
I can't snap it.
Doesn't need to snap. You're okay. Don't worry about it. Why don't you drive it over? Remote control.
Oh.
Good job, Sky. Nice trucks. You have such nice trucks. Good job, buddy. All right. See you next time. Say wave.